Hello again. Are you ready for our next activity? Can you tell what it's going to be? Do you like my ears? These are my rabbit ears. So, this paper plate is a bit small for my head. I'm going to show you. So you just cut the middle out. Draw some ears onto a plate. And then cut around the ears, leaving them attached at the bottom, and then you just push them up like that. And you've got some bunny ears. Okay, so maybe we could make, can we make a cat? Yeah, what do you think? Okay, so we've got a nice round face. So we use it this way, do you think, or this way? Let's see. Now I've got, from cutting out the rabbit ears, I've got this shape. So if I cut that and I cut that, what do you think these could be? Could these be ears? Some glue on. Stick that there. Yeah. And then put some glue on this one. Stick it there. What do you think? Do you think that's far enough apart? Okay. Now, I've got pencils. Now, what colour of eyes does a cat have? So let's do green. So I'm going to draw two eyes. I'm going to colour them in. Let's see. Cat's eyes? And let's do the darker bit in the middle. Now, I don't think I've got a black pencil. So I'm going to use brown and I'm going to do a nose. Now, do you remember we were chatting with Rod and giving him treats, and we saw him on the guessing game as well, didn't we? Do you remember what shape Rod's little pink nose is? Oh, should we make it a pink nose? Let's make it a pink nose like Rod. It's a bit like a triangle, isn't it? He has a nose that's a bit like a triangle. So I'm going to make that pink. Oh no, his ear has fallen off. Oh no. There we go. That's because I didn't wait for my glue to dry. Or maybe you could use sellotape. Oh no, now he's a bit squint, isn't he? Needs to go out here a bit. There we go. Okay, so I've done some eyes, and he's got a little pink nose. Mouth. It's going to be happy. Okay, so Rod has, did you see his whiskers? He's got really, really big whiskers, and he's actually got some really, really big eyebrows too. You see, one, should we do three on each side? Yeah, 3 whiskers. Let's have a look. What do you think? Don't forget to share your photos of what you've made with us, or send them to us at EYFS Home. I'll see you for the bedtime story.